Hey, how's everyone doing? I hope you're having a fantastic day. I am Paul Langer from forexlive.me, and today we're going to discuss a very common topic. I have been asked this question several times, and I am sure that if you are not yet profitable trading Forex, you might have asked this question yourself. So, is Forex trading a scam? Let's put it capital letters, scam. I mean, we are dealing with money on the online with all these shady brokers and all these people selling these get rich quick systems. So why would forex trading not be a scam, right? It seems like the most logical thing would be that it's a scam, right? So how would it be possible that you can make all this money? Maybe it is too good to be true, and let me tell you, it is. And not because forex trading is a scam, but because something I will tell you right now. Okay, so is forex trading a scam? So let's say you go to this website and then you buy this I don't know, super get rich quick trading system. And then in this trading system they tell you that you will make so much money so quickly, and then you get all excited, and I don't know, then you have to pay $600 for this super get rich quick trading system. And then they have this very nice website, and it looks so enticing, and they have this deep voice selling you stuff and all these graphics flying here and there, and some expensive watches and Lamborghinis and houses and everything that we always dream about, right? And suddenly you buy this system, the super system, and then suddenly, all of a sudden, you try, and then maybe there's like this. I don't know. There's so many different systems, but let's imagine this one has two lines, and when the red line crosses the blue line, you're supposed to go long. And so you do that, you go long, and suddenly the price just starts reversing and go against you. And suddenly you start to lose all this money instead of winning. And then you feel very stupid because you already spent money buying the system. Now you're losing your money, and then why is all this happening? You ask yourself. Well, maybe it's because forex trading is a scam, right? Forex trading should be a scam, right? Then you go to these forums, and then you read all these people that is speaking about market manipulation, all these things about hunting stop losses. And then you say, well, yeah, that makes sense. Maybe there's like these invisible hands just hunting for my stop loss. And because sometimes the market actually looks like that, it will go exactly to the place where you put your stop loss, and then it will reverse. And suddenly, if you wouldn't have put your stop loss right there, you will be making money. And then you ask yourself, what is happening? Is this really a scam? Uh, why I'm not making money? And then, yeah, I know, I understand that can be super frustrating, and that can really seem like forex trading it's a scam, right? Forex trading a scam. Well, let me tell you this, okay? I don't want to make this video too long, but I will tell you this: forex trading is not a scam. Sorry to disappoint you with that. I know that videos that speak about market manipulation and all these dark hands behind the poor people, all these dark hands behind the markets that are trying to hunt your money and just take your money away from you. Well, it's not so simple. Yes, there is these dark hands trying to take away your money, but it's not so simple. It's not something that you enter a trade and there will be someone in the back just seeing how you enter your trade and just to take away your $200 or whatever. Well, let me tell you this, okay? this is the first thing you need to know. Go to a reputable broker, or let's say with a reputable broker. Okay, this is super important. I'm not saying that there are not scams in the forex market world. Of course there are thousands of scams, but the first thing you need to do, just to be sure that nobody's hunting for your stop losses, is just go and open an account with a reputable broker. Okay, so what's a reputable broker? What's a reputable broker, you might ask. So what is a reputable broker? So the first thing you need to look for, first you need to see that it is a regulated broker, right? So what does that mean? When you go to the page of your broker, or the brokers you are looking, you will see that they have like this. They will say if it's a regulated broker, because they had to pay money to get this license, and so they will say in their website, in their homepage, they will say, hey, we are a regulated broker. So just try to make that it's regulated in the country where the main headquarters are established. Okay, so what does that mean? Yeah, I mean, if you find this broker that it's incorporated in the Seychelles Islands and it's regulated in, I don't know, Honduras, that, I mean, nothing against the Seychelles Islands or Honduras, but that will start to sound a little bit shady, if you know what I mean. So let's say if you are in the UK right now and you find a broker that its main headquarters are in the UK and it's regulated in the UK, then you are on the right track, if you know what I mean, because you have like a solid jurisdiction, a place where you know that if things go wrong, you can just go and I don't know, like file a case with the authorities or something, and your case will be heard. There's a way to get your money back, worst case scenario. So that's the first and main thing, right? I mean, it doesn't have to be in your own country. Sometimes we don't like to have our money in the country where we live, and that's fine too. Maybe you just want to have your risk, not everything in the same place, and you like to have your money somewhere else. That's fine. There are good brokers in Australia, in the US, in Canada, in the UK, in Europe, in several places. Just stay with solid jurisdictions and try to find a broker that its main offices are headquartered where their license actually is. Okay, so the next thing you should look for is there are not many, let's say many cases or complaints. Let's say there are not many legal cases or complaints against this broker. Okay, you will not know for sure this one, but anyway, if you just Google about this broker, and for example there was this broker that I used to use that was in Malta, and they were actually, I found that it was quite good, the prices were good and the execution was good, and then I just somehow at some point I saw that this broker was started to have some liquidity problems, and there was people trying to get their money out, and there was some problems, and you could find about it all over the internet. I mean, happily for me, by that time I wasn't using this broker anymore, but what I mean is just like try to do like a Google search and to see what is really happening with this broker, if there's any known legal cases against them, right? And then the next thing that I would say is not that they are necessarily a bad broker, but I will try to avoid brokers that give you free money. I mean, if you have been trying to find a broker for a while, you will see many brokers that have this offers that if you put $200, they will give you 200 more or something like that. I would say, well, brokers are not in the business of giving you money. So if they're giving you money, most likely they will find a way to get it back from you, from your own trading. So normal brokers, regular brokers, don't use these shady tactics to get clients, because we all know who they are. There are many of them all over the place, and you just have to open your account and nobody will give you free money. Instead of that, they will give you good service, good execution, small spread. They will give you other things that are much more important on the long run than to give you, let's say, $400 or double whatever you put in your account. That will start to sound shady in my book. It doesn't mean that they're necessarily scammy broker or shady broker, but hey, come on, brokers shouldn't give you money away, okay? So avoid brokers that give you free money. Well, this is not like a comprehensive list, but this is a start for you to start looking for reputable broker. So after you find your reputable broker, what do? So you just go and please open, I will put this in capital because you need to really understand this, guys. You open a demo account, please. So it doesn't matter if it's a MT4 or another, they have another platform or their own proprietary platform. That doesn't matter. You need to open a demo account and trade on the demo account. So let's say that now you have a reputable broker. What do? You go and find a reputable system or a system that works, a system that gives you an edge when you trade, okay? So you need to find a system, let's say find a system that gives you an edge. Well, how do you find a system that gives you an edge, right? It's not so simple. I will just put on the description well, my own book that is for sale on Amazon. It's a good book for intermediate traders or beginner traders. It has some very simple strategies that I know that work. They are not like, let's say that you will be millionaire in 1 month using those strategies. For sure, it's not like that, but it has some strategies that work and have worked for me in the past, and they're very easy to understand. So you can just go and buy my book, and I will just put another book in the description that is very good, and you should read it anyway if you want to be a forex trader. I just put 2 links in the description, so you will find somewhere to start. This video is not about finding a trading system, it's about if forex trading is a scam or not. So let's say that now you find a system that gives you an edge and that you know is profitable. Then what you should do is, of course, try demo first, please. It doesn't matter if you're trading robots, if you're trading whatever you like, indicators, price action, Elliott waves, moving average. It doesn't matter. You just try demo first. Don't use your money, don't use your real money to try a system. It's like using a live patient to learn how to be a surgeon. It's stupid. Let me say it like that. It's simply stupid. I've done it myself, but that's why I know it's stupid. Never use real money to try a system. And then when you just try your system and you see it works, if you see it works, then just open a live account and deposit a small amount of money, please. Just, I don't know, whatever is small for you, $200, $100, $50, $10,000 if you're a super millionaire. I don't care. Just put a small amount of money that you know that most likely you are gonna lose it, okay? So if you lose it, it's not a problem. You will not be poor after that. You will just learn, and you have to see this as a mid to long term strategy, or let's say mid long term strategy or occupation, or however you want to call it. You cannot become a successful trader in a few weeks. It's very hard because there are so many things around it. I mean, forex trading is simple, but that doesn't mean it's easy. Okay, so just relax and sit with a long to mid term mindset. Okay, and then if things work, just go to your reputable broker and withdraw the money. Okay, withdraw the money. If they give you the money back and everything worked perfectly, you can just go and deposit more money and start trading again with your reputable broker and with your system that has an age. And now that you see that things are working, then you know that you are on a setup that is not a scammy setup. You know that you are on the right track to become a profitable trader. It will take you time, okay? So be patient and learn, and don't bet your money, your rent money, or your food money, or your school money, or whatever money is important for you. It's not, you don't need to spend that money on that. You can just put a little money, or first just demo, and then just put a little money just to feel the rush, just to feel how does it feel to lose money, because you will lose money on your trades, and then you will also win money on your trades. And you need to understand how to control your emotions, and then you will start to see that there is not any hiding black hand on the back of the world just trying to rip you off your $100. It doesn't exist. Okay, if you are with a reputable broker and you are on a reputable system, then things will work. Okay, so I will just recommend to go to my website. You can go to my blog. There I have a post about this too. It's a little bit it has more information, and also you can find a free trading course. I have a 3-part video course for you there. It's 100% free, and I am sure that they will help you a lot to start in your journey to become a profitable trader. ForexLife.me, yeah, that's me. Okay, so guys, I am very happy that you watched my video to the end, and I will try and I will put my effort to publish videos like every week or twice a week or something like that, and to give you super valuable information. And please subscribe to my channel and put the notification bell if you want to hear every time the videos come. And please comment on the comment sections. I would love to hear what are your questions, what are your concerns, and yeah, I will be here around if in case you guys need anything. Okay, so happy to see you. Bye bye.